In this video, I will show you how to change the drill bit on a INGCO drill. So let's begin. So here you can see this is my INGCO 20 volt cordless drill, and I'm just going to change the bit. So if I just take it to close, you can see there have two options, lock, and here you can see unlock. You can check carefully, lock and unlock. So I'm just going to unlock at first. So if I just do it, I can easily unlock. Here you can see mouth is opening and I can change the bit, and I'm just going to replace another bit on this mouth. So after that I need to lock. So here you can see I successfully changed the drill bit. So guys, in this way you can very easily change the drill bit on your INGCO cordless drill. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.